Alright, it's time for the beard oil review. Da Dude, made in Sweden, reviewed by Afro Hair Addictions.
These niggas is rich and make hits, motherfucker. Do you jiggle your dick when your bitch pop singing on the licorice hit? You know.
Can I get your right, sir? Can I be what you like? Yeah, I could be the right girl. Tell me if you like your lady in my mind.
So hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm just doing a quick review on Da Dude hair products once again. Well, let's just say Da Dude Cosmetics, because today I have this beard oil by Da Dude, okay, made in Sweden, where until made in Sweden, okay, and I love this little like container it comes in, so it's nice and protected, and then inside you have the actual oil. And I love it because it comes in a little kind of, is it like a tincture bottle? I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, so you take it out, and then basically it's here, and it's basically argan oil, okay? And it doesn't have too many ingredients. It's just like Catharmus, Tinctorius seed oil, Simondosia, seed oil, Argania spinosa, Parfum, Tocopherol, Bete, and Cytosterol. So it doesn't have a lot of ingredients in it. It's got like a few oils in there, not only argan oil. I've already washed my beard. I don't know if you can see if it's still wet. So I'm gonna quickly dab it dry, because there's no, you're not supposed to put oil on like soaking wet hair. Your hair has to be like damp, because water rejects oil, so the oil won't actually do anything. It'll just like drop off. So once you've taken away the excess water, I'm just going to make sure I extract some with my dropper. I love it so much. Okay, and I'm just going to put a few drops on my hand, and I'm going to massage it into the beard, okay? Just massage it all around. It's a very mild smell, like a mild oil smell. It doesn't really have a parfum, it just kind of smells like an oil. But yeah, I'm just going to massage it in gently. And into the neck area as well, because it gets very dry under there for a man. And then I'm just gonna like smooth it down. And then I'm going to work now, so I will come back in the evening and let you know if my beard feels soft. And then I'll continue to use this, and I'll let you know like the next week or something if I actually feel a difference over a duration of time. Okay, so yeah, shipping is very prompt. I love it as well. Glass bottle, until, and obviously I'm loving the packaging as well. So yeah, beard oil, Da Dude, made in Sweden, until. Come on. So hi guys, welcome back, and it's the next day. So I don't know if the camera's really focused on my beard, but I'll just give you a little quick review. So basically, as you know, I just used this yesterday. So it's the Da Dude beard oil, and the main oil is argan oil, okay? So here we go. It just comes out a little base like that, and it looks like that. And it's, yeah. So anyway, I put it on in the morning, and then, it felt okay. I didn't feel any amazing results instantly. But it felt okay, And then when I got home, like this part here, because my beard is two textures. It's like kind of wavy here, and then it's like kinky here, if that makes sense. you know, like really afro kinky, just in case you're not black and you don't know what kinky means. So then I got home again and I just wet it again with warm water, and then I massaged some more oil. And even this morning, like, this bit feels really soft here. Like, this is like the wavy part of my beard. If I grow it long, you'll see like it's wavy. And then this bit just feels okay. Yeah, this bit feels nice, but this bit feels a little bit dry. So, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. I'm gonna just, you know, every morning, I'm gonna do it twice a day because this part here just feels like it needs to be oiled twice a day. So I'm going to carry on doing it anyway. I mean, so far for this part of my hair, it feels good. The oil does work. This part, I don't know, it needs a bit more TLC, I think. Yeah. So, you know, obviously, as I've just explained, if you've got kind of like curly, like wavy type of beard hair, I think that the oil would work really good for you. I'm going to keep using it anyway to see if because maybe my beard needs time to adjust to the new product, etc, etc. So, but what I can say is for the wavier part of my beard, like this part right here, it feels good and soft. So that I would advise you, if you've got like curly or you know, wavy beard hair, this may work really good for you. Yeah, so either way, it's still a great product. You know, great E4, small company, Sweden. You know what I mean? Nanantel. So as I promised, I'm gonna make a second competition. So if you have like a beard, or even if you don't, you could possibly win some beard oil, okay, from this Swedish company, Sweden Colin. So the terms and conditions of this competition is that, again, as usual, you need to have subscribed, first of all. Second of all, you need to write enter me. And then the third of all task is you need to answer this question. And the question is, what was the date that I mini chopped? Competition open for another week. And, you know, you could win some beard oil for yourself or for your man. Okay? So yeah, good luck. Nanantel, come on, wait.
That dude. Alright.
I'm living my life, oh, hope you feel alright, yeah.
Hey, I'm the licorice bitch. You know I'm looking for these niggas. If these niggas is rich, he got 150 colors in the blue eye too high. Wanna get the number